નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. Adarsh Education Society welcomes you all here. Dear student friends, let's move ahead with the next poem, The Rain on the Roof. Basically, this poem is based on rainy season, and so that the title itself is Rain on the Roof is given. The poet has made a fantastic observation, and what he has imagined for the rain during rainy season, that is explained here in this poem. Apart from this, one more thing I'll tell you. This poem contains maximum figures of speech internal rhyme as well as onomatopoeia. Once again, pay attention. This poem contains maximum internal rhyme and onomatopoeia. What is onomatopoeia and what is internal rhyme? Internal rhyme, two words ending with equal sounds that we have already completed. Even onomatopoeia also, when a word indicates the sound, when you will listen the word, you will directly connected with the sound. That is onomatopoeia. સાવ નાના હતા આપણે ને આપણે ક્રેડલ સોંગ્સ, રાઇમ્સ આ બધું સાંભળતા હતા. ગુજરાતીમાં પણ આપણે પોયમ હતી કે મને ચપટી વગાડતા આવડી ગઈ, મારી ચપટી વાગે છે ચટ ચટ ચટ. The word chat 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 indicates the sound. That is equal to onomatopoeia, and that figures of speech is here maximum, so that you will keep it in your mind. If wind comes, wind is with the apostrophe and wind is with the direct address. Apostrophe is equal to direct address, and next to that one is personification. So that in the same way, if a line is from rain on the roof comes, maximum possibility would be with the internal rhyme as well as with onomatopoeia. When the sky is covered with the dark clouds, this is even the present situation. Dark clouds. What shall we think? And it starts raining. Have you ever listened to the patter of soft rain on the roof? You see here the first word itself. Patter of soft rain. Patter means what? જ્યારે વરસાદના ટીપા છાપરા ઉપર પડતા હોય, એ વરસાદના ટીપા પડવાનો જે અવાજ છે, that is known as patter. એનો અર્થ એમ થયો કે here in introduction also it is given onomatopoeia. Got the idea? Have you ever listened to the patter of soft rain on the roof? પહેલાંના સમયમાં તો આજે તો શું છે કે આપણી પાસે સ્લેબવાળા મકાન છે, so that we don't have any identity about the rain. રાત્રે સૂઈએ અને સવારના ઉઠીએ અને કોઈ એમ કહે કે આખી રાત બહુ સરસ વરસાદ હતો, we feel it. ઓહો, મજા આવી. But we have not experienced it. Why is it so? Because we don't have roof. નળિયાવાળું મકાન હોય, પતરાવાળું મકાન હોય, then we would have enjoyed it. We would have felt it in a right way. We would have experienced the better sound of the rainfall. What thoughts flashed through your mind as you heard this melody of nature? What is this? This is the melody of nature. And this melody of nature is equal to the better sounds on the roof. Read the poem to find out what the poet dreamed of while listening to the rain, the better sound of rain on the roof. What's there that we will come to know here. When the humid shadows hover over all the starry spheres, you see here, humid, you know it well, humidity. Next to that, when the humid shadows, humidity, shadows spreads, where it spreads, hover to have position over starry spheres area. When humidity is fully spreaded over the entire area, and the melancholy darkness, melancholy sadness. Darkness, why is it so? Because dark clouds would be there. People would be in a melancholy mood. Why is it so? Because people, all the people would be in need of the rainfall to live the life. And so that here the darkness is told melancholy. At the time, what's the condition? Gently weeps in rainy tears. Weeps in the rainy tears. Rainy drops in the form of tears. What a bliss to press the pillow of a cottage. ઝૂંપડીમાં રહેતા હો અથવા તો chamber bed, or you are lying on your bed and lie listening to the better sound of the soft rain overhead. અને એમાં ટપ 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 વરસાદ શરૂ થાય, એ સાંભળવાની આખી મજા જુદી છે. Here, let's move little back. Shadow, sphere, starry. Shadow will not come because sh sound is there. Once again, shadow will not come because sh sound is there. Here, starry, sphere, this is for the alliteration. Got the idea? Next to that, hover, over sound is common. That indicates internal rhyme. Once again, here the patter of the soft rainfall is onomatopoeia because the word patter indicates the sound. In this way, you will try to understand figures of speech also parallel with the content of the poem. What's there in this poem that we will come to know later. Thank you. Thanks a lot for joining us.